Hi, my name is Zach Dronsky, and this presentation will be about the Cretaceous Extinction, also known as the KT extinction or the extinction of the dinosaurs. This is for NATS 101, a NATS 101 class taught by Dr. Poe and Dr. Waller. The dinosaurs ruled the Earth during the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous eras, which lasted from about 215 million BC to 65 million BC. However, these mighty rulers of land and sea were all wiped out in what scientists believe was one of the largest catastrophic events in the history of the Earth. So what could have killed them off? The most accepted theory is that they were killed by a meteor or a series of meteoric impacts. Scientists believe this because there are large amounts of iridium found in the sedimentary layer from the Cretaceous period. Iridium is rare on Earth and is found mostly on meteors. It is believed the largest meteor landed in what is now the Gulf of Mexico. Although the initial impact wouldn't have killed off all the dinosaurs, it would have led to a chain reaction. Dust from the meteor would have blotted out 20 to 30% of sunlight. This would have caused plants to die out, then herbivores, and finally carnivores. On the other hand, it is possible dinosaurs were exposed to more ultraviolet rays, which led to their demise. Increased oxygen in the atmosphere would have led to spontaneous combustion, resulting in more fires. Another theory is that dinosaurs were killed off by volcanoes located in what is now India, called decon traps. There is a 2-mile thick ring of sediment around the volcanoes, which would have led to catastrophic events on the Earth's surface when they erupted. The sediment has been dated back to when dinosaurs walked the Earth. The volcanic eruption would have had a similar effect to the meteor by blotting out the sun and killing plant life. Although this theory is highly disregarded, a few scientists believe the dinosaurs were killed off because of an ice age. One theory suggests that the meteoric impact would have knocked the Earth off its axis by as much as 23 degrees, resulting in this ice age. The Ice Age area is supported by benthic foraminifera plankton fossils that were dated to be about 70 million years old. This type of plankton could only survive in cold water, which is why this is significant. Another theory is that there were too many or not enough plants because of atmospheric changes, and this led to either surplus or lack of oxygen, which led to the dinosaurs' demise. The dinosaurs could have been killed off in a flood. The evidence for this is that dinosaur bones are often located in areas such as Montana and are all facing in the same direction, from north to east. This could be because a flood washed them away and dumped them in the same place. It is also supported by the fact that there are rarely baby or juvenile dinosaurs in these bone beds because adults could flee the flood water better. The flood theory is again supported by the fact that there is a highway of dinosaur tracks running between Utah and Colorado, and it is possible that there was a small strip of land where the water was shallow enough for the dinosaurs to cross. One final theory is that mammals were the cause of the Cretaceous extinction because they started stealing dinosaur eggs. Most scientists disregard this theory, saying mammals were too small at the time to perform this feat. The extinction left 85% of life on Earth dead. However, some animals such as amphibians were able to survive by burrowing into wood or the ground and were left unharmed. Lizards were able to survive using a similar strategy by burrowing into the ground. It is believed that 90% of bony fish species made it through the event, and over 80% of cartilaginous fish such as sharks and rays made it through unharmed because they sought out shelter in the deep ocean. Birds and their ancient ancestors are the only species of dinosaurs to make it through the impact. Birds are believed to have survived by diving underwater or burrowing. Luckily for humans, mammals survived. Because of their small size, they were able to seek refuge by burrowing themselves or climbing into wood. This led to the evolution of Homo sapiens. Well, that's the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching.